Hello and welcome to Cheppy Today. I'm Will and I'll be going through some of the most talked about topics in crypto. If you want to be kept up to date with the discussion, remember to give us a like and to subscribe. So if you haven't noticed, Bitcoin has been doing pretty well recently. In the last 30 days alone, it's up more than 60%, gaining approximately $3,200. Yeah, not too bad. However, this is even more bullish when you realize that 1,200 of those dollars was made in the last 24 hours. This was a move catalyzed by numerous bullish developments, all occurring yesterday, such as the announcement of Bakkt's Bitcoin futures testing phase in July, Gemini's partnership with Flexer, and the potential of eBay accepting crypto on their platform. But what's next? Could we reasonably see a move higher? Or is it possible that we'll get some sort of correction? Well, that seems to depend on whether we're actually in a bull market or not. There are some who believe that we may only be on the precipice of one, which indicates that we could well see some more bearish action to come. Propagating this theory today is crypto economist Willy Woo, who relayed that BTC had remained above its 200 moving day average. Historically, any prolonged movement above this moving average has indicated a bull market. Bitcoin has been over this moving average for approximately 6 weeks. This was also noted by Fundstrat founder Tom Lee, who suggested that BTC could reach a new all-time high within 12 to 18 months, due to both the upcoming 2020 Bitcoin halving and Bitcoin's move above this moving average. Now, assuming we're just entering a bull market, there is a lot to gain in the long term, but also some to lose in the near future. Looking to the fairly rudimentary Wall Street cheat sheet of market cycles, some are attributing our current position to that of the disbelief phase, with the large majority of traders and analysts erring on the side of caution going forward. This is because based on historical action, BTC may look to correct before a move higher. And in the minds of many traders on crypto Twitter, a correction isn't just a possibility, but a certainty. There is no real consensus as to where this correction might occur, or by how much BTC might correct. Taking a slightly more bullish outlook, Bitwala suggests that Bitcoin might rise as high as 9.4k, based on the next Fibonacci retracement level, a technical indicator that measures retracement by taking two extreme points of a major peak and trough, and divided by the vertical distance, in order to identify price retracement. However, the analysis caveated that a correction would likely occur, noting similarities to the 2015 market, and noting that this could signify the start of a bull market. So at least we're gathering some kind of consensus here. Looking to the 2015 market, similar parabolic levels were exhibited from BTC in November of that year, with BTC gaining over 100% in little over a week, going from a price of $230 to $500, followed some days later by a hefty correction of 40%. Of course, on the bright side, what followed was a year-long bull market, which eventually led to the monolithic heights of December 2017, marking a 6,500% increase from the bottom of that 40% correction back in November 2015. Looking back to the short term, the reopening of Binance could provide some interesting volatility, as the exchange reopens its deposits and withdrawals tomorrow. Some suggest that the reopening could spark a full-on rally for altcoins. Binance reopening, followed by what could be an imminent correction for BTC, or at least some sideways action, could indeed see some altcoins fly. Binance is obviously a significant player in the industry, and with as much as 40% of global BTC trades going through the exchange, it's understandable why some believe that the reopening could spark some sort of rally. As confidence rises with the recent gains of Bitcoin, it's almost inevitable that altcoins will share some of this action, especially as BTC starts to slow down. The leading theory goes that investors are waiting for deposits to reopen in order to shift some of their BTC gains into altcoins, in preparation for what they believe may be the beginning of Altseason. Whatever happens, tomorrow should be another interesting day in crypto. But as always, we'd love to hear your take on the topics discussed. When do you think Bitcoin will correct? Will tomorrow mark the beginning of Altseason? So let us know your thoughts. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.